Connect deeply is the last piece of this. Detect early, protect fully, connect deeply. I think that connect deeply piece is also so important. I think that this model of seeing patients as a disease process is just not working for anyone. It's not working for the patients, and frankly, it's not working for the providers. So we need to see people as whole people, whole beings. And that's what CoCardio is intending to do. They're understanding who you are, why you have the beliefs that you have about your health. Where do they come from? Let's really get to the root cause of what's going on here. And I think that their model of spending the time with you that you need and getting to really understand what makes you tick is critical to helping you implement some of these teachings so that you can integrate it into your behavior change so that you can benefit and really reconnect to the joy of living in optimal health.